Hey everyone, welcome back to the Empirical School to learn smart English. Today we're diving into something super useful: alphabetical order. Yes, the same order we use in dictionaries, word lists, and even when organizing names or files. Let's begin with an example. Look at these words: stage, staff, stain, stab, stack. They all start with the same three letters, STA. So how do we decide which one comes first? We look at the fourth letter of each word. G, F, I, B, C. Those fourth letters are G in stage, F in staff, I in stain, B in stab, and C in stack. Now, if we arrange those letters in alphabetical order B, C, F, G, I, the words fall into order like this: stab, stack, staff, stage, stain. So remember, when the first few letters are the same, look at the next different letter to decide the order. Now, let's practice with some examples. Group A, look at the first letter and one number. We get the words handsome, print, wheel, tiger. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be handsome, print, tiger. Wheel into number, we get the words linger, bathe, damage, manage. Alphabetical order: bathe, damage, linger. Manage in 3 number, we get the words quiz, record, gloom. Flower: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be flower, gloom, quiz. Record group B. Look at the second letter and for number, we get the words violet. Vanish, vestry. Vowel: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be vanish, vestry, violet, vowel. We get the words in 5 number: effect, addition, ancient, active. Abroad: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be abroad, active, addition, effect. Ancient: we get the words in 6 number: luggage. Leave, light, loyal, laugh: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be laugh, leave, light, luggage, loyal group. See, look at the third letter. We get the words in 7 number: blink, blank, blunder, block. Bleak: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be blank, bleak, blink, block, blunder. We get the words in 8 number: chilly. Chorus: cheat, change: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be change, cheat, chilly, chorus. Church: we get the words in 9 number: splash, spend, spice, spring, sponge. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be spend, spice, splash, sponge, spring group D. Mixed practice: we get the words in 1 number: heave, head, heat, health: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be head, health, heat. Heave: we get the words in 2 number: parent, park, part, parcel. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be parcel, parent, park, part. We get the words in 3 number: recruit, recent recall. Recipe: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be recall. Recent recipe: recruit: we get the words in for number: clever, clinch, clergy. Clean: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be clean, clench, clever, clergy. We get the words in 5 number: brawn, bracket, bramble. Branch: according to the alphabetical order, these words will be bramble. Branch, brawn, bracket. We get the words in 6 number: when, where, whether, wheel. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be wheel, when, where, whether. We get the words in 7 number: drug, drum, drug, drudge. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be drudge, drug, drum, drunk. We get the words in 8 number: strong, struck, street, stripe. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be street, stripe, strong. Struck: we get the words in 9 number: exclaim, exchange, excess, excite. According to the alphabetical order, these words will be exchange, excess, exclaim, excite. And that's how you master alphabetical order. Remember, start with the first letter, and if they're the same, keep moving to the next until you find the difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn smart English for more easy grammar lessons. See you in the next video.